Next we have corner pre-treat for our 2D dynamic toolpath. Let's look at this. It's another cool option that's been added to 2021. So if we notice in that info little graphic, we had material and corners left over, but really only in the base area is where the main meat of the part is. So let's look at the top view, backplot this, and so anywhere it sees material, it's going to start easing its way in. And then on those corners, we'll probably get a lot of vibration, a lot of shatter, because nothing supporting it underneath. So, yep, we're working our way in. So go ahead and look at the parameters of that one. And we could have added a first pass offset, and it would have worked its way into those corners a little bit without just all of a sudden engaging, but we'd also been cutting a lot of air as it's moving around. But now we have this corner pre-treat option, so you can do include corners or corners only, which is a nice option. It's going to have its own step over percentages and parameters, so that's also pretty nice feature. So we can increase or decrease the step over. We can say, hey, we're going to have a maximum radius of 400, or regenerate that. And so it's going to take out the material in the corners first, and then when it can start getting its full engagement as it works its way around, that's when it's going to start doing the chip thinning moves all the way around the body portion. So we'll work out a corner, speed this up a little bit, come to the next corner. So now I can start increasing my step over, even speed rate, and now I'm getting that full engagement onto more of the main body. So definitely a nice enhancement.